maker. But today, I'm here to present my special product, which is small chops. And also use this opportunity to tell the world the reason why I choose to go into small chops. I have many other reasons, but because of that factor, I'm here to figure out 4 reasons. Reason number 1, as a caterer, I find out that small chops give me more profit more than every other business. Reason number 2, I also find out as a Nigerian, though I haven't had the opportunity to travel out to witness how small chops sells in other countries. But here in Nigeria, small chops sells in almost 99% of offices in Nigeria, including banks, supermarkets, companies, eateries, and parties locations. Reason number 3, small chops business gets me close to great people which I not dream of having conversation with. Reason number 4, with my small chops business, out of almost 60% of unemployment in Nigeria that is affecting the youth. When I set up a business in a good location, I will be able to employ 2 or 3 helping hands. I believe that will also contribute for the moving forward of our dear country, Nigeria. I have a page in social media. Just type in Chef John Testy dishes, will see me there. In YouTube, go into just don't bother yourself. That is on Monday. We'll bring out my page. Subscribe, click the subscribe button.